How's the weather where you are? Let's play together. I hope my ukulele stays in tune. Strum along, let's have a good time. 1, 2, 3. Well, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire's so delightful. And since there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Well, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Well, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. So long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I think it stayed in tune. Thanks so much for jamming along. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, and please, if you haven't already, hope you'll subscribe to the channel. That's so refreshing. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks.